Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to add an order tracking page in your Shopify store. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open up your computer browser and go to the Shopify website and log into your account or sign up if you still don't have an account. Now the first thing you have to do if you want to add an order tracking page is basically to create a page for tracking. Now to do that, just click on the online store right here and head over to Pages. Now once you're in the Pages, click on Add Page right here. And now give a title of your page, for example, Order Tracking Page. And now once you have done that, go. So as you can see, I have a Google Documents right here, or a Google Docs that has a lot of codes. Now I'm just gonna copy and paste this one. I'm gonna paste this link into my description box in this video so that you can access this one. And make sure to view this code because this is very essential, this is very important in our tutorial video. So for now, again, once you're in the page, I have a title right here and give a title to your page. So mine is Order Tracking Page. And next is once you have clicked on this code that I have pasted, or once you have clicked on this Google link that I have pasted, the Google Docs link that I have pasted on the description box, just head over, just scroll down until you see this tracking page script. So this will be the code that we will be using for our tracking page. So just copy the code, make sure not to copy the title, just copy the code like that. Hit on copy and go back to the page where we will be creating, and now click on Show HTML, and next just right click and paste and make sure to save, and there you have it, my page was created. Now if you want to view what we have created so far using this code, just click on View Page right here, and there you have it, an order tracking page now has been created. Now next, if you want to, for now, let's not close this tab right here because we will be needing this tab right here. Trust me, you will be needing this. So don't close or don't do anything with this tab right here. So next is we will be adding a tracking page menu right here. Now to do that, under Online Store, just go to Navigation and click on Main Menu right here. And now all you have to do is to click on Add Menu Item. Now tell us about the name. Just click on Order Tracking Page. And now the link, click on the link and go to Pages. As you can see, this is the order tracking page that we have just created right here. So make sure to click on that and click on Add. And make sure to Save Menu. So once I view my online store, as you can see, we have an order tracking page menu right about here. So once I click on that, there you have it. An order tracking page is now visible. Now lastly, I want to show you a message. Basically, if someone or a customer of yours adds a tracking number right here, and he or she will get a confirmation or a message on where his or her product is now being delivered, or where his or her product is. To do that, all you have to do is go to Settings, and now once you're in Settings, just scroll down until you see Notifications. Now once you're in the Notifications, just scroll down a little bit further until you see Shipping right here, and go to Shipping Confirmation. So once you have done that, this is the default right here, so we will be changing this one. So next is I want to click on Edit Code right here, and as you can see right here, this is the code that Shopify has. So I will be deleting this one, so just delete that. And next is go to the Google Docs link that I have just pasted below on the description box, and just scroll up as you can see, we will replace the confirmation email code right here. So, but before that, as you can see, I have added a yellow link right here. So all you have to do is to replace this with the link on the order tracking page that we just created on our store. So this is why I have told you not to close the link or the tab below, because we will be needing this link right here. So without further ado, let's do that. So make sure to copy this. Make sure not to include the title. So I'm just going to copy this one. Just scroll down right about there. Right click and copy. And paste it right here on the email body that says HTML. So I'm just going to paste that one. Now, go to section 102 right here. 103. So this is where we will be adding our link. So just delete that one that is in between this open and close parenthesis. So just delete that one and copy the link of your tracking page. Make sure to paste it in between. There you have it. So right now, all you have to do is basically save that one. So notification template is saved. So as you can see, once I scrolled up right here, let's have a preview on what we are getting at. There you have it. This is the link that I have just pasted or copied and pasted. This is where we will be getting. So once I go to my online store right here, there you have it. I have my menu right here of order tracking page. And for example, for the sake of this video, let's type a simple tracking number. So I'm just basically guessing, and hopefully something will be tracked. So once I click on track right here, so as you can see, there are no information. We can identify the number. So this is basically just an example. So once a potential customer will add his or her tracking page or tracking number, he or she will be getting this message right here, the one that we just have created. Right here, he or she will be getting this tracking message. So I think that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do have some questions, suggestions, or comments, just feel free to comment it down on the comment box below. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!